Hello everyone, I'm Jack. Here I'm going to show you the Maximal A series Reach Truck. This is our second generation Reach Truck. The first generation is M series, which was already in the market for over 10 years. This A series was upgraded based on the M series. It has the main improvements of higher performance, more ergonomics, and also easy maintenance. It is a full AC Reach Truck. It has AC motors and also AC controllers from Italy Emotion brand. So it is better than those DC-DC system and also half AC system. So let's check the details. First, let's see the mast. This mast could go up to 10 meters and it still has the capacity of 500 kilograms. And the steel of this mast is from Germany, ThyssenKrupp. It is originally imported. And also you can see the cylinder is not in the middle, it's a little bit close to one side. This design is for the better view of the operator to see the fork end. And also for the forks, it's changed from fixed type to hang-on type. So more options of attachments could be installed according to your work demands. This capacity of the new A series Reach Truck covers from 1.6 to 2.5 tons. Let's sit on it to feel it. See, very comfortable and strong handrail. Here you can see the seat is very big and very comfortable. Of course, we also have the stand type as option. Here in front of me, it is the very clean and fashionable dashboard. Here you can see this is the small steering with EPS, so it could give you a very good steering feeling. And also the steering column could be adjusted like this as you need. And here is a very big screen which could show the battery volume, traveling speed, and also the wheel position of the three wheels. And it has the handbars communication, which could monitor the key parts performance of this Reach Truck. And here is the USB plug, which could use to charge your phone and also other electronic devices. Here is the ergonomically designed control lever. You can see it is very convenient to operate. Here is the direction, the shift, front, also reverse. And under this plate, here it is the controller from Italy Emotion. It is a compact controller which could save the power, electric power by 10 to 15%. Here is the home, and also here is the emergency button